Let's add some numbers to our table of contents. To do this, first open up the test document you just saved to your test folder. On the menu on the right-hand side, click Edit PDF. Then on the menu at the top, click Header and Footer. Click Add, then click Add New. Click the white space in the center footer text, then click Insert Page Number, then click OK. You'll now notice that your pages are numbered at the bottom. Click the icon depicting 2 pages on the left-hand menu. A vertical slide depicting all the pages in your book should appear. If you hover your mouse over this, you can very quickly scroll down the pages of your book. Scroll down to Chapter 1 and figure out which page it's on. Then open up your Table of Contents Word document, get rid of a few of the periods on the Chapter 1 line, and type in the page number of your Chapter 1. Repeat this process for every chapter in your book until your Table of Contents Word document is filled out. In the next section, we're going to use our test document one more time to make sure our gutter margins are aligned properly. See you there.